In English, we express our love by saying I love you. But in Nepali, we say like this.
चमेली तिमी नै हो मेरो सन्नानी तिम्रो पछुरी उडै लाग्यो नि यो चञ्चले बिरतीको हावैले आँखा गाछलो रूपले लजालु